Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best kitchen cookware set available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Amazon Basics Cookware Set. 15-piece set. 15-piece set includes 8 and 10-inch fry pan, 1.5 and 2-quart saucepans with lids, 3 and 5-quart casserole pans with lids, and 5-piece utensil set. Non-stick coating. The cookware set features a non-stick coating, which allows for lower fat cooking, less stuck on food, and easier cleanup. Stay cool handles. The pan handles are designed to stay cool during use, while also promoting a firm, comfortable hold. Hand wash only. For a longer lifespan, it's recommended to hand wash the cookware. Can be used on both gas and electric stovetops. Number 4. Gotham Cookware Set. Gotham Steel Cookware. With over 30 million happy customers, Gotham Steel has revolutionized kitchens across the world with the introduction of the non-stick ceramic copper cookware. This set has been improved in every area, including the non-stick coating, stay cool handles, exterior finish, and durability, including adding diamonds to the surface to ensure the pan doesn't scratch. Ultra non-stick. The non-stick cooking surface is coated 3x, reinforced with ceramic and titanium to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1-2-3 cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Induction compatible. Super durable. The coating of the pan is durable enough to withstand metal spatulas, spoons, whisks, and more, while the aluminum exterior is dense, non-porous, and highly wear-resistant for long-lasting performance. Number 3. Kitchen Academy Cookware Set. Non-stick pots and pan set. When buying cookware, one of the important things is non-stick capabilities. The granitour coating do a good job in preventing food from sticking. Also, you'll be able to cook healthier meals for your family since you won't have to use as much oil. You can safely cook tomato sauce in granite cookware. The taste and smell of your food will not change even if you use acidic or strong-smelling ingredients. Toxin-free cooking set. When buying a new set, make sure that it clearly indicates that it is lead, FOA-free. These are the 3 things that you don't want to have in your cookware because of their potential health dangers. Induction cookware sets. When it comes to the interior, this cookware uses an aluminum core. The result is that the pan heats up quickly and, more importantly, distributes heat evenly. The cookware set works on all major types of cooktops. Larger high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensure induction compatible, especially glass stove. Pots and pans with Bakelite handle. Bakelite is used because it has heat-resistant properties and is an electrical insulator. Bakelite would not burn when exposed to high heat. Number 2. Green Life Cookware Set. Soft Grip is all about comfort, control, and color. Featuring a stay cool handle, the vibrant Soft Grip collection is designed to make easy cooking even easier. Our ceramic non-stick is not stuck in the past. Our coating starts with sand to give you effortless non-stick performance without the chemicals. Healthy ceramic non-stick. Green Life's healthy ceramic non-stick coating is free of FOS, FOA, lead, and cadmium. What's that mean for you? No toxic fumes, even if it's overheated. Stay cool comfort grip. Soft Grip's Bakelite handles make for cozy and comfortable cooking. Oven safe up to 350 degrees. Take your cooking from the stovetop to the oven with Soft Grips ready for anything design. Dishwasher safe. Soft Grip has a rivetless interior to make cleanup simple. When things get really messy, though, it's easy to toss it in the dishwasher. Recycled aluminum bodies. These pots and pans are made from recycled aluminum and reinforced with wobble-free bases for extra strength and even heating. Number 1. Calflin Cookware Set. Durable, FOA-free, 2-layer non-stick interior prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup effortless. Hard anodized aluminum cookware provides durability, even heating, and resists corrosion and warping. Stainless steel long handles stay cool on the stovetop. Convenient measuring marks, pour spouts, and straining covers allow you to cook with efficiency. Oven safe up to 450 degrees F and safe to use on gas, electric, glass, and halogen stovetops. Water-based AquaShield non-stick technology keeps pans performing like new 40% longer. Durable hard anodized aluminum construction. 8-inch fry pan. 10-inch fry pan. 1.5 quart saucepan with cover. 2.5 quart saucepan with cover. 3-quart saute pan with cover, 6-quart stock pot with cover. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.